Hello, hello, hello. Hello everyone. Today we have the review of the Logitech Zone 300 headphones. The Zone 300 are Bluetooth headphone with an approximate range of about 30 meters. In this case they use Bluetooth version 5.3, therefore they have lower latency and better battery optimization than previous versions. They are totally valid for everyday use, for example, for listening to music, as well as for office work. The driver size of the speaker of each of the headphones is 30 millimeters. They move within a frequency range between 50 and 20,000 Hz and have a sensitivity of 96 decibels. They have a lithium battery with autonomy up to 18 hours in conversation and up to 20 hours in listening, as long as we use them at medium volume. And we will get the full charge in approximately about 2 hours. Moreover, the headphones offer quick charge, which means with just 5 minutes of charging we can get up to 1 hour of talk time. As for the microphone, in this case it features a dual mic on a rod with MEMS technology and external noise cancelling. These headphones feature multi-point technology, so we can connect them to 2 devices at the same time. For example, we can have them connected to both a mobile phone and a TV at the same time, and the headphones will switch between devices as needed. In other words, if we're watching TV with the headphones and receive a call on the mobile, the headphones will automatically switch to the mobile. Once the call is done, they'll switch back to the TV. Lastly, they are available in 3 different colors, black, white, and pink, and can be found for an approximate price of €85. Below, as always in the description, I'll leave you a direct link in case you want to get some. And now guys, once we've seen the features, we're going to unbox it. Okay guys, as for the contents of the headphone box, as you can see, it's extremely simple. On the one hand, we have the headphones themselves, which as always, we're going to set aside to take a closer look at later. Moving on to the accessories, we're only going to have 2 things. On one hand, the instructions or quick start guide, and finally, the charging cable for the headphones, which in this case is a double USB-C. We can connect it to a computer that has this type of connection to charge the headphones or to a network adapter to connect them to the power grid. So guys, now that you've seen the unboxing, let's get to the really interesting part, which is taking a closer look at the headphones. The earbuds are super light, weighing only 120 grams. As for the pads, as you can see, they are totally round and on air, which means that they are situated above the ear and do not cover it completely. As for the measurements, they are 6 centimeters in diameter from the outside and 2 centimeters in diameter from the inside, so we have a support of 2 centimeters. As for the thickness of the support area with the head, it reaches 1 centimeter. One of the strengths of the headphones is that they have lots of slack, both horizontally and vertically, which means that we have a super wide rotary movement to be able to place them in the ear and make them as comfortable as possible. As for the headband of the headphones, despite being quite thin, it is very comfortable. It has the same coating as the pads, but in this case on the outside we have practically no padding, but on the inside we do. We find some fairly prominent padding in the headband. In this case, the Zone 300S aren't foldable headphones, but we do have height adjustment on both sides. They have a click-stop system that works really well. It's quite smooth, and when we leave them in one position they stay quite fixed. What I did miss, as always, is that they have some kind of numeric regulation so I don't have to put both headphones in front of my eye. As for the microphone, well in this case, as you can see, it's on a rod and foldable. We can take it out and put it away without any problems. What we do find on this occasion is that the microphone is rigid, that is, we can't give it any kind of shape. As you can see, on the inside of the rod is where we find the double microphone. In addition, something quite convenient is that it includes a system so that when we raise it up it's muted, and when we lower it it's activated. We now move on to the controls and connections, which are all located on the left ear cup. From left to right we have the on-off button, the USB-C charging port, the LED indicator, the volume control buttons, and finally the button to pick up or hang up calls. Connecting the headphones with our mobile phone is super simple. First thing we need to do, of course, is turn on the headphones. To do this, we're going to press the power button once. The headphone starts to blink, and at this point we can move to the mobile phone. We turn on the Bluetooth and quickly see how the Zone 300 appears below. All we have to do, as always, is tap on the device, and it's connected and ready to use without having to do anything else. As you can see, the iPhone tells us that we don't have the app installed, and that we can go to the App Store to install it if we want. This is also an advantage in case we didn't know it had an app, knowing that we can also manage it from there. In summary, we have headphones that provide good sound quality, but particularly stand out for their microphone clarity and ability to eliminate external noise. As I've mentioned, they're totally suitable for daily use, but I believe they would perform best in an office or telemarketing environment. Beyond that, they have excellent battery life, and the multi-point connection doubles their usefulness. After using them for several hours, I found them to be comfortable, and the battery performed well, so they definitely get my approval. Well guys, that concludes my review of the Logitech Zone 300 headphones. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, which is super important. And remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss anything. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure, and see you in the next video.